Welcome to AI for Everyone. In this course, we're going to explore artificial intelligence, a technology that's changing the way we live, work, and think. Don't worry, you don't need a technical background to follow along. AI stands for artificial intelligence. In simple terms, it's the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like recognizing patterns, learning from experience, or making decisions. Have you ever used a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, or noticed how Netflix recommends shows? That's AI at work. AI isn't new. Its origins go back to the 1950s when scientists began wondering if machines could think. Over time, there have been ups and downs, but today AI is more powerful than ever. Imagine playing chess with a computer. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat the world chess champion, a major milestone in AI history. There are three main types of AI. Narrow AI, which is what we use today in things like chatbots and search engines. General AI, which doesn't exist yet, but would be a machine capable of thinking like a human. And then, superintelligence, AI that could surpass human intelligence. Right now, all the AI you interact with is narrow AI, task-specific intelligence. Imagine how the future might look with general or superintelligent AI. Before we go deeper into AI, let's break down some common terms. You'll hear these a lot. Machine learning. This is how AI learns from data. Deep learning. It's like a more advanced version of machine learning. Neural networks. They're designed to work like our brains. Algorithms. Sets of instructions that tell a machine what to do. Think of AI as a giant puzzle, with these terms as the puzzle pieces. Now you've got a basic understanding of what AI is and some of the terms you'll hear often. In the next video, we'll explore how AI is already a big part of your daily life. See you there.